A year ago, I was running a laser engraving business with one problem. Every time I had a production idea that required a custom jig or a fixture or a specialized tool to make my workflow faster, I had two options. Option one was spending a couple weeks waiting for a vendor to fabricate it, looking around online someplace and waiting for somebody to ship it. And option two was to improvise and to work slower. Well, I added a 3D printer to solve that problem. What happened next completely changed how I run my business. I didn't add 3D printing because it was trendy or because I wanted to offer 3D printing services. I added it because I had a specific production problem and a 3D printer was the fastest and cheapest way to solve it. That distinction matters because it completely changes how you think about the decision and whether it makes sense for your business. This video is the story of what that decision looked like and what actually changed. The problem was that I was running custom laser engraving jobs for clients, and lots of those jobs required positioning material in very specific ways. I was doing it by eye or by measuring it every single time. That was very slow and inconsistent. Every piece was slightly different because I was eyeballing that alignment. Well, the solution was a jig that held the material in exactly the same position every run. But fabricating that jig through traditional methods took 2 weeks and cost $80 to $150 per jig. By the time the jig arrived, the client work was already done and I'd missed the production window. I needed a way to design and produce jigs in-house immediately. That's when I started looking seriously at adding a 3D printer. Well, I made a decision and I bought a Bamboo Lab A1 3D printer. It took about 15 minutes to set up, and then I spent roughly 20 minutes in Fusion 360 designing the first jig. The print took about 4 hours to finish. The material cost me less than $1. By the next morning, I had a jig ready to go and it worked perfectly. From idea to production in under 5 hours for under $1 of material. Compare that to 2 weeks and $100 vendor options, and the math was obvious. Adding a 3D printer was the right decision for my business. Here's what changed. Suddenly, I had the ability to solve workflow problems on demand. A design change in the middle of a production run? Print an updated jig overnight. A client requests for a custom fixture? Design it, print it, deliver it the next day instead of 2 weeks from now. I started printing organizational solutions for my workshop. Storage holders, cable organizers, tool stands. I started printing replacement parts for broken tools instead of buying new ones. Hooks, different parts of switches. The 3D printer became a core part of my production system within weeks. It was not a separate thing. It was now integrated into how I work. The economics of my business changed too. A custom jig that used to cost me $150 in 2 weeks suddenly cost me $1 in materials and 4 hours of my machine time. I can afford to be responsive to client requests that would have been impossible before. I can prototype new processes without expensive vendor involvement. I can replace tools and fixtures and parts that break instead of improvising around it. The cost structure of my business fundamentally improved. But here's what surprised me the most. The 3D printer didn't just solve production problems, it opened up new products that I could offer. Custom fixtures for clients, jigs that they could use in their own workflows. Organizational solutions, things that didn't exist before because the economics didn't work. Now they do. The printer paid for itself in the first month through time savings alone. Everything since has been additional upside. Here's some specifics. I print a new jig or fixture probably about once a week for production jobs. I'll print replacement parts when something breaks instead of scavenging around for alternatives. I print organizational solutions to keep the workshop functional. I also print test pieces and production samples for client approvals before committing to the actual laser engraving. The 3D printer is not my main business. Laser engraving still is. But the 3D printer is what makes my laser business run significantly better. That's the right way to think about adding a new technology to your business. Don't add it because it's cool. Add it because it solves a specific problem that's costing you time, and money. When you make that decision, the return on investment is immediate and obvious. Would I recommend adding 3D printing to your laser business if you're running one? Absolutely. But not because 3D printing is amazing, because it solves real problems that you probably already have. Every custom fixture that currently takes weeks and costs money to outsource is a problem that a 3D printer can solve. Every single replacement part that you currently have to improvise around or buy new is a problem a 3D printer solves. Every custom jig that would make your workflow faster but's not worth the cost to fabricate is a problem a 3D printer solves. Look at your business and ask where you're losing time or spending money on custom fabrication. That's where 3D printing fits in. When it fits in, the decision is obvious. Adding 3D printing to my laser business was one of the best operational decisions I've made. Not because I wanted to become a 3D printing business or become a 3D printing guru, but because it made my laser business dramatically more efficient and more responsive to client needs. If that sounds useful for your workflow, the calculation is simple. The printer pays for itself in time savings alone within months. Everything after that is upside. If this video helped you think about your own workflow, please consider subscribing. I cover the intersection of maker technologies and how they actually fit into production. And if you want to see 5 practical things I print every single month that make my business work better, that video is right here.